In this video series, we explore the crucial role of nutrition in fetal growth and understand how a mother's diet impacts her baby's development. The information presented is inspired by Lily Nichols' book, Real Food for Pregnancy, and the latest research in the field. Conventional dietary advice often contradicts the wisdom of ancestral diets. While conventional guidelines emphasize limiting certain nutrient-rich foods like fatty meats and whole dairy, ancestral diets embrace these elements for their high nutrient value. Conventional guidelines often promote high carbohydrate intake with limited focus on nutrient density. Ancestral diets prioritize natural, unprocessed foods, including nutrient-rich meats and dairy. This approach focuses on nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals for both the mother and the baby. It challenges conventional guidelines by emphasizing the importance of foods like eggs, liver, and fatty fish. The philosophy of eating for two is widely misinterpreted. It's not about doubling food intake, but about doubling nutrient intake. A balanced real food diet includes diverse sources of vitamins and minerals critical for fetal development. Food that is as close to its source as possible, such as fresh, in-season vegetables grown without pesticides. Minimally processed, foods that retain their natural form. Real food is often label-free, but when it does have a label, it should list simple, understandable ingredients. A well-balanced diet for pregnancy includes vegetables and fruits, meat, poultry, fish and seafood, nuts, seeds and legumes, healthy fats, dairy products, optional based on individual tolerance, and optional whole grains. Understanding the role of each food group in prenatal nutrition is essential. For instance, leafy greens provide folate, crucial for fetal development, while fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vital for brain development. While caloric needs in pregnancy are often overstated, the need for specific nutrients increases significantly. Vitamins like A, B12, choline, iron, and iodine become more crucial than ever for supporting fetal growth and reducing the risk of developmental issues. Let's dive deeper into specific nutrient-rich foods and their roles in prenatal health. Carbohydrates are a major energy source, but the type and quantity matter significantly during pregnancy. Unlike conventional guidelines suggesting high carbohydrate intake, emerging research advocates for a lower, well-selected. Choose low glycemic carbs like non-starchy vegetables, Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, legumes, and berries. Traditional diets typically contain fewer carbs, focusing on nutrient-rich, less carb-dense foods. Proteins are vital for the growth of new cells. The requirement for proteins increases during pregnancy. Include a variety of complete and incomplete proteins. Aim for a minimum of 80 to 100 grams of protein per day, depending on the pregnancy stage. High-quality proteins, especially from pasture-raised and grass-fed sources, are ideal. Fats, especially from natural sources, play a crucial role in fetal development. Focus on omega-3 rich sources like fatty fish and pasture-raised eggs. Avoid processed vegetable oils high in omega-6 fats. Embrace natural fats, which help absorb fat-soluble vitamins essential for pregnancy. Non-starchy vegetables should form a substantial part of the diet, offering fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables for fiber and essential nutrients. Variety in vegetable intake influences the baby's future taste preferences. Fluid intake should increase during pregnancy, and salt, contrary to common belief, is essential for electrolyte balance. Aim for around 100 ounces of fluids daily. Salt, especially unrefined sea salt, is crucial for maintaining electrolyte and fluid balance. Eating mindfully and balancing macronutrients are crucial to a healthy pregnancy. The emphasis not merely on eating for two, it's about supplying appropriate nutrients in correct proportions for both mother and child. An inadequate diet could potentially lead to health issues for both. Join us in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into specific foods that build a healthy baby and those that do not.